Well, Donald Hayhurst, it's been over a day since you've made this post, and I've responded to it. You're running for Nez Perce County Clerk against Patty Weeks and Sue Ann Miners. I'm asking you this question. Based on your statement here, and to stand up for the flag, you're standing up for the Constitution and the law. And I'm asking you, answer an exceedingly simple question. You're endorsing Keith Havens for County Commissioner. Let me ask you the same question that he refuses to answer. Hannah Lidke pays herself $89,000 salary from a nonprofit she controls while simultaneously voting on grants that affected that same nonprofit. That's self-dealing with taxpayer money. If you were clerk or if Keith had a spine, would you demand an investigation into Hannah Lidke's self-dealing? Yes or no? Not talk to a prosecutor, not get an attorney, not I'm sorry I Googled you. Keith now has dodged this question over a half a dozen times. He hides behind Justin Coleman's office, the same prosecutor who ignored years of fraud reports until a bookkeeper finally got indicted for over a $500,000 in embezzlement that I have been reporting to that prosecutor's office. You're endorsing a man whose answer to that corruption is hire a lawyer you can't afford. So I'll ask you directly, Donald, do you support Keith's non-answer? And if you were in a position of public trust, would you investigate Hannah Lidke or look the other way like Doug Havens did for years and Keith Havens is scheduled to do, to sit next to her as a Nez Perce County Commissioner? It's been here for a day, Donald. You can try to block me if you want, but I object to that. I especially object to anyone who doesn't want to uphold the Constitution and the law. So, do you support the law? Do you support the Constitution, Donald?